What's up, YouTube? We're out here shooting the Glock. See the Glock 26. My cousin's over here loading the Glock 22. Go for it.
You want to say anything while you're recording?
No. Glock 26. That's good right here. Nice. Nice. Second round with the Glock 26.
Glock 40. See how much power this baby has. Go ahead. Bullet flying right at me. One just hit me in my shoe. Yeah, one just hit me in my shoe. Fucking gun is bad. See it? Nice.
There's the 9mm. Clock back and ready to go. Let's see what he can do. Nice. Let's see what kind of damage we've done. The Glock 22 40 caliber.
Talking to me?
And the Glock 26 9mm.
Huh? Oh, I got fucking eardrum things.
There's someone hit right there. Twice. Damn, we're tearing this one apart. See, look right there, it bounced.
Huh?
Said right there it bounced.
Where? Oh. Where would it hit? Those look like perfectly good circles, huh?
Yeah.
Like round. Damn, you could tell which one's a 9, that one's a 9, that one's a 40,
Yeah.
huh? Damn. Wonder if there's any bullets in it. A la vergas.
Sweet.
That fucking part got ripped.
Crazy. Yeah.